In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get rich on Animal Crossing New Horizons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you a general overview for methods that allow you to get a lot of bells quickly. Now, of course, obviously, you should always try to do activities that you enjoy. By doing activities that you enjoy, you will be having fun while collecting bells, and time will go by faster. You won't be bothered and you won't have to possibly do repetitive tasks, but sometimes you will want to make a little bit more money, so that's where this video might help you. So I'm going to give you general tasks and things that you can do in order to make a quick buck in Animal Crossing New Horizons. One of the most consistent ways to make income is by collecting fish and bugs. So catching and selling fish and bugs is reliable. You should focus on high value fish and bugs like red snappers, varied knife jaws, emperor butterflies, tarantulas, and stuff like wasps. So as long as you collect a bunch of these, you can sell them for a lot. Always try to sell to Timmy or Tommy directly, because if you do it in the box outside of the residence, you will only get 80% of the total value. You should try to sell stuff to special visitors like Sahara, Gulliver, and Leaf. You should look for hot items that can be sold for double their normal amount, and one rock on your island will be a money rock each day. You can also locate fossils. If I remember correctly, you will have 4 fossils spawn per day on your island. Now, there is an alternative method that I wanted to highlight for a video like this. Because I'm not going to go too in-depth about every single method that you can do, I wanted to talk about Nukazon. This is a website where you can list items that you want to sell, and you can also find items that people would like to purchase. So when you visit this website, you can browse through all of the latest listings here, all of the items available, and of course you can do your own listing. So you click on the option at the top, you sign up to use the website, and then you will be able to announce anything that you would like to sell. You will have plenty of things, including villagers. Usually they will go for a lot. You can see the price displayed here, and you can look for people purchasing these items, or you can look to sell the items yourself. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.